Imagine a battlefield unlike any seen before. Advanced robots fight alongside human soldiers. Drones fill the skies, controlled by artificial intelligence. This is not science fiction. This is the future of war, where technology reshapes the landscape of conflict. The line between man and machine blurs as artificial intelligence takes on a more prominent role. Robot soldiers, once confined to the realm of imagination, are becoming a reality. These autonomous machines are designed to perform tasks, from reconnaissance to combat, with increasing sophistication. The development of AI weapons brings both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, these technologies have the potential to make warfare more precise, reducing civilian casualties. On the other hand, they raise ethical concerns about the role of machines in life-or-death decisions. As we stand on the brink of this new era of warfare, it is crucial to engage in a thoughtful discussion about the implications of these technologies. The future of conflict will be shaped by the choices we make today. The evolution of warfare has always been intertwined with technological advancements. From the invention of gunpowder to the development of nuclear weapons, each era has witnessed breakthroughs that have fundamentally altered the nature of conflict. In the early days, warfare was primarily a physical affair, with soldiers engaging in hand-to-hand combat using swords, spears, and shields. The invention of the musket in the 16th century revolutionized warfare, allowing soldiers to engage the enemy from a distance. The Industrial Revolution brought about a new wave of technological advancements, such as the machine gun and the tank, which significantly increased the scale and lethality of warfare. The 20th century saw the rise of air power and nuclear weapons, ushering in an era of unprecedented destructive potential. Today, we are witnessing another major shift in military technology, driven by the rapid advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and autonomous systems. This new era of warfare is characterized by increasing speed, precision, and automation, blurring the lines between the physical and digital domains. Robot soldiers, once a staple of science fiction, are rapidly becoming a reality on the modern battlefield. These autonomous or semi-autonomous machines are designed to perform a wide range of military tasks, from reconnaissance and surveillance to logistics and combat.
One of the most well-known examples of military robots is the unmanned aerial vehicle, or drone. Drones have become ubiquitous in modern warfare, providing militaries with unprecedented situational awareness and the ability to strike targets with precision from afar. Ground-based robots are also becoming increasingly common. These machines can be used for a variety of tasks, such as bomb disposal, clearing buildings, and providing fire support for infantry units. Some robots are even being developed to evacuate wounded soldiers from the battlefield. The development of more advanced robots, capable of operating with greater autonomy, raises ethical and strategic questions. As these machines become more sophisticated, it becomes increasingly important to consider the implications of delegating life-or-death decisions to algorithms.
Artificial intelligence is not just transforming the physical platforms of warfare, but also the very weapons themselves. AI-powered weapons, often referred to as smart weapons, are designed to independently identify, track, and engage targets with minimal human intervention.
These weapons leverage advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data from sensors and other sources, enabling them to make decisions in real time. This capability has the potential to significantly enhance the speed and precision of military operations. For example, AI-guided missiles can adjust their trajectory in flight to hit moving targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. AI-powered drones can autonomously patrol borders, identify potential threats, and even engage in combat without direct human control. However, the development and deployment of AI weapons also raise significant ethical and strategic concerns. Critics argue that these weapons could lead to an arms race and increase the risk of accidental or unintended conflict. There are also concerns about the potential for AI systems to make mistakes, with potentially catastrophic consequences.
Section 5, Ethical Crossroads, Navigating the Moral Minefield of AI Warfare. The integration of AI into warfare presents ethical challenges that demand careful consideration.
As machines become more autonomous, We must grapple with the moral implications of delegating life or death decisions to algorithms.
One pressing concern is the potential for AI weapons to lower the threshold for conflict. Nations may resort to military force more frequently, leading to unpredictable conflicts.
Another concern is the potential for AI systems to make mistakes, with devastating consequences. This raises the possibility of unintended consequences, such as friendly fire or civilian casualties.
The use of AI in warfare raises fundamental questions about accountability. If an autonomous weapon commits a war crime, who is responsible? Section 6. The human element. Why human control must remain supreme. Despite the allure of autonomous warfare, it is essential to maintain human control over the use of force.
While AI can enhance decision-making and improve the precision of military operations, it should not replace human judgment, compassion, and ethical reasoning. Humans possess a unique capacity for empathy, understanding, and moral reasoning that AI systems currently lack.
In the complex and unpredictable environment of warfare, human judgment is crucial for navigating ethical dilemmas, interpreting ambiguous situations, and making decisions that consider the broader consequences.
Moreover, removing human soldiers from the battlefield entirely could have unintended consequences. Warfare is not just about technology. It is about the human cost, the sacrifices made, and the lasting impact on individuals and societies. Dehumanizing warfare by relying solely on machines could erode our understanding of the true costs of conflict.
Maintaining human control over the use of force is not just a moral imperative, it is also a strategic necessity. AI systems, however advanced, are ultimately tools. They should be used to augment human capabilities, not to replace human judgment and decision-making. One crucial step is to establish clear international norms and treaties that prohibit the development and use of fully autonomous weapons systems. These weapons, capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention, pose an unacceptable risk to civilians and could undermine global security. Ethics professor. Another important step is to invest in research and development of AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and auditable. We need to understand how these systems make decisions and be able to hold them accountable for their actions. This will require collaboration between governments, industry, and the research community. Furthermore, it is essential to foster a global dialogue on the ethical and strategic implications of AI in warfare. This dialogue should involve not just governments and militaries, but also ethicists, philosophers, legal experts, and civil society organizations. By working together, we can shape the future of AI in a way that promotes peace, security, and human well-being. Section 8. The future of war, a complex interplay of humans and machines. The future of warfare will be characterized by a complex interplay of humans and machines. AI will transform the battlefield, enabling faster, more precise operations. The human element remains essential for strategy and ethical judgments. Human soldiers will operate alongside autonomous systems, complementing each other. AI provides real-time intelligence, enhancing situational awareness and automating tasks. AI enhances human capabilities, allowing faster, informed decisions and minimizing risks. In some areas, such as logistics, transportation, and cybersecurity, a higher degree of autonomy may be acceptable and even desirable. AI systems can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions far faster than humans, improving efficiency and freeing up human personnel for more complex tasks. Military official. However, in areas where ethical judgments, strategic decision-making, and the use of lethal force are involved, human control must remain paramount. We must resist the temptation to delegate life or death decisions to machines, no matter how advanced they may become. Ultimately, the goal should be to develop and deploy AI in a way that enhances human capabilities, reduces risks to civilians, and promotes a more stable and peaceful world. This will require ongoing dialogue, careful planning, and a commitment to ethical principles. International organizations such as the United Nations have a crucial role to play in facilitating this dialogue and fostering cooperation among nations. By working together, we can ensure that AI technologies are used in a way that promotes global security, stability, and human well-being. Civilian, the future of warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear. AI will play an increasingly prominent role. The choices we make today will shape the nature of conflict for generations to come. By embracing a spirit of cooperation, responsible innovation, and a commitment to human values, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities of this new era of warfare and build a more peaceful and secure future for all.